Hey up Poke people, we're back at the Pokemon Shack with our second video. Thank you for joining us if you are here. But I'm just going to start because I'm quite excited. We've not got one, but we've got three 2016 Pin Collection Legendary bird sets. The job lot, all three. All come with the badges, Zapdos, Moltres and Articuno. But anyway, enough of the talking, let's get on with it. Okay, so first up, we've got the Moltres. So, just describing what's in the Pin Collection, as you can see, Steam Siege, Breakthrough and Primal Clash, all from the XY era. The Steam Siege, we want the Gardevoir. Breakthrough, we want the Mewtwo. Primal Clash, we'll have the Primal Kyogre or the Groudon. So, enough the chit chat. Let's do it. So, they are all from the 2016 era. Just show you the pin right quick. It's very nice, very fancy. Let's go with facts. So we'll start how the box showed them. Steam Siege, Breakthrough, Primal Clash. Okay. Starting off with the Steam Siege. Do love opening older packs. There's your card. Got 4. And we've pulled the rare because the pack trick was done incorrectly. But there you go. It's a Bastion. I'm not too fussed with it being Steam Siege, but let's have a look at the reverse. Joltik and the rest. Perfect. Right, I'm pretty sure it is 3 from the back from all of them. I've been opening too much Sword and Shield. Right, let's go to the next one. Hopefully we'll get it right. Breakthrough. I can't break through this pack. A bit tough. Code card. Breakthrough booster. Okay, 1, 2, 3 from the back. Let's see. So we start with a trainer and a Seeking, Culloden, Chespin, Zorua, Froakie, Snover, Cacnea. Oh, we've got a Raichu break card. There's a reverse. That's quite nice. I'm not a fan of break cards, but that is quite nice. And a Florges non-holo rare. Okay. I didn't even know they had a Raichu break card, but that's cool. Add it to collection. I'll show that at the end. Okay, so Primal Clash, Primal Groudon, Primal Kyogre. Here we go. Let's code card for you. 1, 2, 3 from the back. Flip. Start for the trainer. Teammates. Freshwater set. Weakness policy. Trekker. We've got a Bumblebee. Weedle. Zigzagoon. Shroomish. Reverse holo rare candy. Very nice. And Probopass, rare non-holographic. Okay, so that's the first one. That's the first one down. Okay, so second up, we've got the Articuno. Let's get into it. Don't have much of that second one, just the Raichu break. Hopefully we'll get something from this one. I'll show you guys the pin once more. Anyway, the Articuno pin. Love the little pins. Okay. Put that to the side. So once again, we will do the same. We will do Steam Siege, Breakthrough, and then a Primal Clash. So, first off, Steam Siege, Guard of War. See if we can get it. We'll do this one right as well, free from the back. Okay, let's card. 1, 2, 3. Pop them to the front. Okay, so starting off with a Fletch Finder. Oh, nice. Osmorel. It's like the joint energy cards. The fairy and water. That's kind of cool, isn't it? Got a captivating puff. It's a bit odd, isn't it? Seedot, Pawniard, Drifloon, Larvesta, Ipom, Nido King Reverse. That's very nice. And oh, there we go. Nice pull. Steelix EX. Full art, I'm pretty sure. I'm not too sure though. We'll have to have a look. But again, the double energy. So we've got the metal and the fighting energy there. Very nice pull. Okay. Perfect. Loving that. Right, okay. Breakthrough next. Can't break through this pack. Not for sure. I know Shuri's card as well. Right, okay, there you go. Breakthrough booster. Uno, dos, tres. There we go. Can we beat the last one? Okay, Professor's Letter. Spupa. I don't even know if I've got any sleeves actually. I need to sleeve that up. I'll look afterwards. Houndoom Spirit Link. Ghastly. Doduo. Paras. Stario. Skiddo. What's she doing it with now? Bloody hell. Poor guy. Magnemite, reverse. And oh, look at that. A Bridget full art trainer as well. What a smashing few last pulls. Look at that. That's nice. Daniel definitely like that. Okay. And last but not least, can we make it 3 out of 3? Come on now. When I do these videos, I've been getting really decent pulls, so I'm gonna definitely keep doing it. Right. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that, that's nice, isn't it? Electric. It's not even a rare as well. That's so cool. Electric, Bunnelby, same one. Boom. Kyogre Spirit Link, Weedle, Barboach, Spiel, Bidoof, Chinchou. Oh, an Asmorel, reverse. I've not actually opened many Primal Clash, so it's nice seeing these cards. That's actually really nice. And a Tentacruel, non-holo. Awesome. I'm really happy with that. They're quite nice cards, to be honest. Right, let's get on with the last one. The Mighty Zapdos. Here he is. This guy must hold some pulls. Let's have a look. Right. I'm really happy with this, to be honest. Nice little find on eBay. Danielle actually bought me this for Christmas as well, but she kind of got hold of her Christmas present a bit early. The Pikachu, which you might have seen on Instagram from Cosmic Eclipse. It's a very nice card though. So she let me have this, and I thought I'd open it with you guys. So this is the pin that I was wanting to look at properly. Look how nice it is. So that's one of my favourite Pokemon. So, once again, Steam Siege, Breakthrough, Primal Clash. Okay, let's do it. Starting off with a cute little Leo. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's give him a hand and see what the first one's at. Starting off with a Tangrowth. Ambipom. Sheldon. Oh, Sheldon, sorry. Little Leo, there he is. That's cute. Nidoran. Nosepass. Hoppip. Meowth. Little Leo reverse. Oh, nice. That's cute. And an Infernape Hollow. Very nice. Awesome. Put that to the side. I'm pretty happy. You know, even though we don't pull any hollows or anything out of any packs, you know, I'm still kind of happy that I am, you know, opening packs from 2016. It is nostalgic, even though it's not, you know, too long ago. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see what we can get. Snorlax. And a Chespin there, look. I don't know if he's like bouncing off a Snorlax there, but yeah. Anyway, Vanillish, Assault Vest, Spritzy, Ghastly, Doduo, Paras, Stario, Vanillish Reverse, and oh, Simipour non-hollow. So still cool that. Love the design of the cards as well. Really nice. Okay, so here we go. Bit of last pack magic. Still happy with what we got though. Bit of Primal Clash. Let's have this big fella here. Go on the video. Maybe these little two cuties can give me some luck as well. In the little Christmas tree. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here we go. Right, starting with the Buffalon. Rhydon. Special Energy. Trico. Zigzagoon. Surskit. A Morel. A Torchic. Reverse Volbeat, and the last card on the video is a Nidoqueen. That's nice. Rare. It's like a full art kinda. Looks cool. There we go. So what I'll do is I'm just going to quickly sleeve up the pulls, and I'm just going to run through them right quickly. So I will be with you in 1 second. So guys, the pulls. We have got the Nidoqueen, what I'd state is a full art, non-hollow. We've got an Infernape holographic. We've got the Azumarill holographic. The Bridget full art trainer. And the Mega Steelix EX. Perfect. Lovely. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you got this far, give us a like, give us a subscribe, and before I do go actually, I do want to announce that we do have a Rapid Strike Single Mustard Full Art on a giveaway via Instagram. All you have to do, jump onto Instagram, give us a follow, like the post, and tag one friend. Get all them, get them comments in, get those likes in. I'm pretty sure you can leave more than one as well, so go for it. Do your best. But other than that as well, I do want to state I'm giving a. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to give this card away as well. This Garbodor VMAX Rainbow Full Art. All you have to do, get this video up to 50 likes, and comment done. If you do so, I'll pick one winner in about a week's time, and I'll send this right to your door. It'll have to be UK only, unfortunately, but easy pickings, easy winnings. Be good for Christmas. Thank you. See you guys later. See you next time.